Super busy week. We are getting this STI ready today for fabrication tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm dropping the car off with Danny at Metro Performance. He's gonna be doing our new intercooler pipe for the process bus intake manifold because it does require a little bit longer piping on the intake manifold side of things. I've been absolutely swamped with customer cars over at the loft. We've been doing engine teardowns, clutch jobs, etc., all the videos you guys have been seeing on my channel. We have everything ready to go today for the process bus intake manifold, our new Evil Energy fittings. We're gonna get straight into this video and we're gonna be doing this parking lot install tomorrow. So it's gonna be a very eventful and fun day, I'm sure. The car has finally made it to Metro Performance. Danny is over there loading up another car on the dyno, and then we gotta push this thing into the shop. So Danny did tell me he's gonna try to have it done within a day because he is super slammed. I don't know, it feels like between Danny's shop, Jordan's shop, everybody seems to be busy with builds and customer cars. So hopefully we can pick this up maybe tomorrow even, but potentially it's gonna be Wednesday. So right now we are heading back to the shop and I have to get back to work on that WRX transmission.
This is all cleaned out, everything. So when we come in with the pipe, you slowly start it here, okay? And then you need to get it in here, because if you shove that all the way in, it's gonna push the pipe way out and you won't get it in.
Right.
So lightly get it in there.
And just do this first.
And then get this in here, okay? And once we're in there, bring him in, and then he sits right where he's supposed to be. He goes right back to his home.
Awesome.
Just like that.
So I know there's a check valve in here.
Yes.
I have the fittings for this guy.
Yep.
How do you get the hose from point A to point B?
Just
Do I extend it?
Just turn this, yeah. So what I do is you'll just swivel him, try to run him along back the firewall. Put a 90-degree like fitting in here, and then just run a hose from there straight underneath to your port.
Okay.
But you have to keep this there because of that check valve.
I am on the way back to San Diego. I'm actually going back to Jordan's shop. I have work today, so we're gonna tackle that in another video, but I will show you guys what the car looks like. It looks so freaking sick, and as always, Danny knocked it out of the park. If you guys need any work from them, please go hit up Metro Performance at SoCal. They're one of the best shops here in the SoCal area, besides, of course, also the loft. Super long day here at the shop, as you guys can tell with my hands. The STI is here right in front of me. I pulled it in for the first time, and it looks freaking amazing. Let me show you what we got going on, as well as what still needs to be done. Here's what we got going on, and my goodness, does this look freaking amazing. I love the raw finish look, and he did a fantastic job on the new intercooler pipe. Now, as far as the AOS goes, I'm still waiting for that bolt to arrive, unfortunately. I'm gonna have to find a solution for that. But besides that, that's all I really have to do. There's a little bit of nitpicking items that I still have to do, like this brake booster line. I don't like how it's currently sitting. I'm gonna get home, knock out some homework, and we will catch you guys when we get back to the unit.